Welcome to Gadget Geek Reviews. Today, we're diving into the best 5 Halloween pumpkin carving kit tools you need to create the most amazing jack-o'-lanterns on the block. Whether you're a carving pro or just starting out, these tools will take your Halloween pumpkins to the next level. So, stick around, and don't forget to check out the product links in the description for all the details. Crystal Pumpkin Carving Kit. Get ready to carve like a pro with the pumpkin carving kit tools for Halloween. Designed for true Halloween enthusiasts, this heavy-duty carving set offers everything you need to create stunning jack-o'-lanterns that light up the night. Crafted from premium, rust-resistant stainless steel, each tool is designed for durability and precision. With double-sided sculpting features, you can slice, dice, and sculpt intricate designs that take your pumpkins to the next level. Perfect for beginners and seasoned carvers alike, this kit includes various tools for different carving techniques, whether it's cutting out fine details, hollowing, or sculpting. Comfortable grips make it easy to handle, even through hours of creative carving fun. Ideal for family carving sessions or spooky solo projects, this set also makes a fantastic Halloween gift for friends and family who love to celebrate the season. Make Halloween unforgettable and showcase your creativity with the professional pumpkin carving kit, a must-have for any pumpkin artist. Imaku Halloween Pumpkin Carving Kit. Unleash your Halloween creativity with the Imaku Halloween Pumpkin Carving Kit. This 10-piece professional carving knife set, made from high-quality stainless steel, includes everything you need for creating the most impressive jack-o'-lanterns on the block. Designed for both beginners and experts, each tool is durable, sharp, and easy to handle, allowing you to carve, sculpt, and shape intricate details with precision. The kit comes with 25 pumpkin carving stencils, offering endless design inspiration to bring your pumpkin visions to life. From spooky faces to elaborate designs, there's a stencil for every idea. Plus, the unique, compact storage bag makes organization a breeze, keeping your tools safe and ready for years of Halloween fun. Whether you're setting up a family carving party or crafting pumpkin solo, the Imaku Pumpkin Carving Kit is the ultimate Halloween essential. Bring your pumpkins to life with professional tools that make carving easy and enjoyable, because every great Halloween starts with a great jack-o'-lantern. Once Pumpkin Carving Kit. Make Halloween carving fun and safe for the whole family with the Once Pumpkin Carving Kit. Specially designed for kids and beginners, this set includes stainless steel tools that are both sturdy and easy to handle, so everyone can join in on the fun. Each tool is crafted with rounded edges and comfortable grips, making them safe for little hands to use under adult supervision, perfect for DIY jack-o'-lanterns that are as safe as they are spooky. The Once kit simplifies the pumpkin carving process, helping kids turn their creative ideas into fun Halloween decorations. Each tool is ideal for different carving techniques, whether it's scooping, cutting, or adding those unique finishing touches. With durable construction, this set can last through many Halloweens to come, creating a family tradition everyone looks forward to. Give the gift of creativity and bonding this Halloween with the Once Pumpkin Carving Kit, a safe, enjoyable way to create memorable jack-o'-lanterns together. Comfy Make Pumpkin Carving Kit. Take your Halloween carving skills to the next level with the upgraded 21 pieces Pumpkin Carving Kit. Ideal for both adults and kids, this comprehensive set has every tool you need for creating show-stopping jack-o'-lanterns. Each tool is crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, making them strong, durable, and ready for even the toughest carving jobs. With a full range of professional-grade detail sculpting tools, you'll have all the precision necessary to carve everything from classic grins to intricate designs that truly stand out. The set comes with a sleek carrying case to keep your tools organized and secure, so you can bring them out each year for hours of creative carving. Designed with comfort in mind, each tool features easy-grip handles, allowing even younger carvers to work comfortably, with supervision, for safe family carving fun. Get ready to make your pumpkins the talk of the neighborhood this Halloween with the upgraded 21 pieces Pumpkin Carving Kit, the ultimate set for unleashing your Halloween artistry. Mess-free and fun Pumpkin Carving Kit. Transform your pumpkin carving experience with the Pumpkin Scraper Glove, as seen on Shark Tank. Say goodbye to the messy, slimy struggle of scooping out pumpkin guts. This innovative, mess-free glove lets you clean and carve your pumpkin like a pro, without getting a speck of mess on your hands. Designed for ease and efficiency, the Pumpkin Scraper Glove gives you superior control and power to tackle even the toughest pumpkin insides, cutting prep time in half and making room for the real fun, carving. With its durable, flexible material and textured surface, this glove scrapes and scoops with precision, making it a favorite for both kids and adults alike. Perfect for family pumpkin nights, the Pumpkin Scraper Glove keeps your hands clean and dry while giving your jack-o'-lantern a clean canvas for carving. Make pumpkin prep easier, faster, and way more fun this Halloween with the Pumpkin Scraper Glove, the no mess, no stress way to create the perfect jack-o'-lantern. Thanks for watching our top picks for pumpkin carving kits this Halloween. Which tool are you excited to try out? Let us know in the comments, and remember, each kit we mentioned is linked in the description below. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews from Gadget, Geek, and happy carving! See you in the next video.